Hey there, my name is Bobby, and I love to watch YouTube videos on owning and running an online business. But very often I come across these how to make money online videos with some extraordinary claims like $35,239 in one day. This free bot makes you $700 per day. Earn $91 per hour by just watching videos. Now, I'm not saying that any of this is untrue, but to be honest, it makes me wonder why there are so many people battling in the world if these claims are true. So instead of me thinking these claims are a bunch of bull, and to be honest I think most of them are, I thought, let me give these YouTube creators a chance and test some of these claims out to see if they really work. Surely these creators have their audience's best interests at heart and really want to help people out. To be honest, I'm not holding my breath. But my plan is to keep an open mind while doing this. I think this will be fun, so I'll be the guinea pig. Why not join me for the ride? If you enjoy these types of videos, please could you do me a solid and like the video. Let's see if we can get this video to 50 likes. Feel free to comment with links to videos you want me to test out, so you don't have to, or just comment on the method revealed in this video and tell me what you think. Also, please remember to subscribe to my channel and push the notification bell to keep posted of all videos I upload. If you want more videos of me testing out these extraordinary claims, then type "make money online in 2022 in the comment section. Let's get into it. I just want to mention a few things before we get into the video. First thing is, I'm just going to get into the nitty-gritty and find out if this method is a legit way to make money online. If you're interested in watching everything the creator says, I have posted their video link in the description below. I'll also post all links mentioned in the video in the description. Second thing is, when I need to create accounts or do any tedious tasks like writing posts or comments, I will fast forward through that process as it's very simple to do and I don't want to bore you. I will however show you the posts or comments I've written once I'm done. The last thing is to remember to stay until the end of the video so you can check out the results I got with this method. In the video linked in the description, this video creator claims that we can make $100 per hour by just watching videos, and according to the description, it can be done worldwide. Sounds easy enough. The first thing we need to do is sign up to superpay.me. The creator runs through a few things on the homepage and their reviews on Trustpilot, and the reviews seem to be pretty good, getting 4.8 out of 5 stars. So let's quickly sign up. Once you have signed up, you need to confirm your email address, so I'll quickly do that. According to the creator, we should stay away from the free paid surveys as they can take time, and I am in total agreement with that. Instead of taking surveys, the creator suggests watching videos is the best way to make money from this website. The creator states that we can use other devices to watch videos to earn money quicker. I have a laptop, 3 cell phones and a tablet, so let's hope so. So I went through the website for about 10 minutes, and the only place I could find anything about videos is under offer walls and then engaged videos. No matter what I select in the drop-down menu, I am told that there are no more offers available. So it seems that there are no offers currently available for me, so I won't be making that $100 per hour. Maybe if you live in the USA or Europe, you have the option to watch videos and make money. If we hover over the paid surveys link and click on top surveys and offers and scroll down, we get to the most popular daily surveys. So it seems I can do these, which I will attempt and give you feedback shortly. I was unable to complete most of the surveys as the offer was not available in my location, even if I click surveys which stated they are international. When I managed to find a survey I could complete, the payout was peanuts and the survey was estimated to take around 10 minutes to complete. My time is much worth more than 36 cents for 10 minutes. I also found that when I was able to get a survey to complete and answered about 15 questions about myself, I got a message that there are no surveys available. This is such a huge waste of time. The creator also brings up the dreaded referral program, which is most likely where you will make the majority of the money, and the creator shows us how to get referrals. To get referrals, the creator suggests using two forums called beermoneyforum.com and Trendry.com. The only difference between the two is that you can post multiple times a day on Trendry.com. My final conclusion is, I knew when I saw the video title that this was too good to be true. This method will not work in all countries as the creator claims, and I doubt you will ever make $100 a week, let alone $100 per hour. Maybe this will work better if you live in the USA or Europe, but anywhere else, and it won't be worth your time in my opinion. If there's one thing I noticed in the creator's video, it was that they never showed us their accounts or how much they've earned. So it makes me think, did the creator even do what they are teaching here? I really don't think so. I therefore give this method a big fat thumbs down. Thanks for taking the time out of your day to watch this video. If you enjoyed watching this video, please hit that like button to help my video reach many more people. See you on the flip side. Ciao.